Yeah, YouTube, it's Legend445 again, and as I'm returning to my earlier problem, that this was moving about. Now, I put on the front of the case this plastic thing here, and it didn't. It was quite far back, so I brought it forward to the right quite, and now the screws fit in. You can't see them. I can't even find them. Oh, where are they? There. Yeah. So the screws fit in there. Take that off. Screws fit in there and everything seems to be alright. I've readjusted that so that doesn't, and well, yeah, I've got to wire it now, so I shall come back when I'm done with that.